we might get on faster with, doing on our own. So in 2003, PEN localization delegation, Mr. Dr. Samat and Miss Maria, end of 2003, they came in and they showed their interest to help us. And we grabbed the opportunity, and within that a few days, only we sat down and drew up the project, and that's how we started. And we were looking for partners, and Sherabso College was identified as one potential partner, then the DA, and of course DIT as the technical body. But somehow whatever the agreement that we reached and the understanding that we reached to collaborate on could not really get translated into sort of action because of many reasons. I just will not take time to explain on this. It's fairly simple. So what are the achievements then so far? We have successfully localized Open Office 2.2 in Dzongkha, email and web applications, content management, keyboard drivers based on DDC standard specifications. About 500 keyboards were procured and distributed. Desktops applications fully localized in Genome and Genome. Lightweight XFC desktop localized to Dzongkha language. Dzongkha Local has been localized in Open Office Local. Rendering engine in Pango and Open Office ICU. We have also successfully implemented the very complex sorting rules, fully customized operating system called Dzongkha Linux. This has been launched in February 2006, and customized Debian Linux beta version named Bhutan Linux has been successfully developed. It overcomes most of the shortcomings of the Dzongkha Linux. And we have also trained two people from each Dzongkha. That means about 40 people from 20 districts, and also the local government agencies in Thimphu in the Dzongkha Linux. Presently, we have collected around 10,000 terms with different information on those terms, which will be, of course, put online. Challenges, among the many challenges and problems that we have faced, one is whatever the fonts that earlier we were thinking that we could straight away reuse those fonts, but somehow those fonts, when applied in this Open Office or in Linux, somehow it, those characters were not at all visible. So we had to rescale. Again, that was one problem we had faced. Shortage of human resources, of course. At the time of signing the project document, in fact, we never had even one person to, sort of take care of this particular project. Nobody had any technical know-how, and in fact, I was going through nightmare. The project had been signed, and we did not have any in-house capability, and we were technically banking on Sherabso College. Neither we found anybody there, and on the language front, we were banking on DDA, although they knew about the language, but they somehow, I think, language and technical, they are intertwined. So they have to have some sort of a knowledge at least to guide us, and they did not have to. So what happened was that luckily uh, Pemagele, who was studying in Shirapse College by then, uh, he was about to graduate from Shirapse College, and I had to request Royal Civil Service Commission for his appointment to DIT. By then he had done some sort of a research through web, and that is how we actually started. Until Pema came in and joined DIT, I think that the progress was zero. I would honestly acknowledge our shortfall. But after he came in, I think the work, took off quite fast. And of course, Dr. Samat, to his fullest capacity, he understood our problem. He fielded a consultant to help us out. And that's how we took off. And of course, as of now, we have 5 of them working in this particular project. And we also felt the importance of this project. And that's why from 2007, January, I gave the first priority in this particular project. And that's why of the 7 recruits, new recruits, 4 of them are dedicated to the localization project. Another major problem that we had faced was that not much of research was done actually in Dzongkha. And we never had any kind of equivalent terminologies for those, terminologies used in computing. So every terminologies, all the syntaxes